is Rita from Riotouch. Today we will check our panel, our small tooling for teacher to use, how to saving the teacher's time. The first is the calculator. How to use, you see, this is a basic calculator. Also have the science calculator. You can choose different. Then you can check the history and also can input to the whiteboard to teach the student. You see here, and the teacher also can edit from here and to teach the student. Also have another small tooling like
Open iCare.
When the teacher has some testing, he can use a timer to do the forward time, also can do the cut down. After 1 hour, the student must finish the testing. Can make it bigger. And also can do the forward time, like if the first student finish, you can keep it in here, then you can see which guy is the first to finish this test. And after the teacher finish the whole lesson, then he can use the child lock to lock the screen. Then the student cannot use it unless they can put the correct password. If they put the wrong password, then cannot use the panel. Okay, that's all about the Riotouch small tooling today for tell you how to use it for teacher. Then how to today is the Riotouch small tooling introduced here. You see here the iCare and calculator and timer. Also another like